Hello and welcome to the Brian Fagan YouTube channel. I'm Ricky Whitehead, and today we'll be talking about a very important topic in family law, CPS adoption representation in Texas. Adoption through Child Protective Services, or CPS, it involves a unique set of challenges, both legally and emotionally. Today we'll explore what CPS adoption is, how the legal process works in Texas, and what role CPS plays in protecting a child's interest. We'll also discuss the importance of having strong legal representation to navigate this often complicated process. And I'll share a real-life scenario to provide some context for what to expect if you find yourself involved in a CPS adoption case. First, let's break down what CPS adoption is. CPS adoption occurs when children who have been removed from their biological parents' homes by CPS are placed up for adoption. CPS intervenes in families when children are deemed to be at risk of abuse, neglect, or abandonment, and sometimes this leads to the termination of biological parental rights. When that happens, these children are then placed in foster care and become eligible for adoption. It's important to remember that CPS's priority is always the child's safety and well-being. CPS adoption offers children a chance to find a permanent, stable home after being removed from a dangerous or unhealthy environment. But it's also a complex legal process, requiring the involvement of family court, CPS caseworkers, and adoption attorneys. Navigating a CPS adoption comes with its own set of challenges. First, there's the legal complexity. In most cases, CPS adoptions involve termination of parental rights, which is a legal process in and of itself. This requires evidence to prove that termination is necessary for the child's safety. You might be facing opposition from the biological parents or extended family members, and having a skilled family law attorney can make all the difference. Let's take a real-life scenario to better understand how CPS adoption plays out. Consider the case of Jennifer and Mark, a Texas couple who had been fostering a 6-year-old boy named David. David had been in and out of CPS system for years, and due to severe neglect and drug abuse by his biological parents. After several attempts at reunification failed, CPS decided that terminating the biological parents' rights was in David's best interest. Jennifer and Mark had grown very close to David and wanted to adopt him. However, the biological parents contested the termination of their parental rights, even though they had not been consistently involved in David's life. Jennifer and Mark were understandably worried, as the process was emotionally draining and legally complex. Their family law attorney helped them gather evidence, including CPS reports, therapist evaluations, and testimonies from school personnel, showing that David had thrived in their care. During the court hearings, their attorney argued for the termination of parental rights. He cited the overwhelming evidence of neglect and the need of stability in David's life. After several months of court proceedings, the judge ruled in favor of terminating the biological parents' rights, and Jennifer and Mark were able to adopt David. Today, David is a happy and healthy member of their family, and the legal process, though difficult, ultimately gave him a new life and a loving home. If you're involved in a CPS adoption case, whether you're a foster parent or relative seeking to adopt a child who has been removed from the biological family, it's crucial to have an attorney by your side. An experienced family law attorney will help you understand your rights, guide you through the legal process, and advocate for the best interests of a child. Remember, CPS adoption isn't just about providing a home. It's about giving a child a chance for a better future. And with the proper legal steps in place, you can ensure that the adoption process is carried out in a way that protects both the child's needs and your rights as an adoptive parent. Thank you for tuning in to today's video. So if you found this information helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the Brian Fagan YouTube channel. We post content regularly on family law topics that matter most to you, and we're here to help guide you through every step of the way. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.
Thanks so much for watching our video. We hope you found it helpful and enjoyable. If you liked what you saw, please give us a thumbs up. Got any questions or thoughts? Drop a comment below. And if you know someone who could benefit from this video, don't hesitate to share it with them. For more awesome resources, check out the description below. Take care. We'll see you in the next video.